This is your test for time. Please make sure you put your name and the date at the top of the page. And remember, you can always pause this test to write down your answers, or you can rewatch the video to listen to the directions again. For the first section, I'm going to tell you 3 times to write down. I'm going to put my mouse on the clock that you need to be writing the times in. For the first clock, you need to write 11:15. 11:15. This clock should say 11:15. For my next clock, this should say 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. The middle clock should say 3 o'clock. And my last clock should say 10:30. 10:30. The last clock should say 10:30. For the next section, it says write the time or draw the hands to show the time on the clock. So some clocks, they give you the time, and some clocks, they give you the time down here. If they give you the time with the hands that's on the analog clock, you need to write what time that clock says. If they give you the time on the digital clock, you need to draw the hands on the analog clock. Remember to draw your hour hand slightly shorter than your minute hand. Your minute hand should be longer than your hour hand. Go ahead and do that for those 4 clocks. For the next section, it's the same idea, only we're doing a little bit harder of times. Write the time or draw the hands to show the time on the clock. So I have some clocks that show the analog time and some clocks that show the digital time. You're going to write what is missing. So either you're going to write the digital time or you're going to draw the hands on the analog clock. My last section is an elapsed time question. You're going to figure out how many minutes between the 2 times. The story problem says, if I cleaned my room from 5:20 p.m. until 5:45 p.m., how many minutes did I clean my room for? I gave you 2 clocks here to help you figure out this problem. You can draw with hops, or you can even make your own number line down here to help you. But when you're done, please make sure you write how many minutes this person cleaned their room for right here. When you're done, please turn it in.